So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. To crop a screenshot, you need to first take it. To take it, click on these two buttons at once, power and volume down. So press on them shortly. And now the screenshot has been taken, and to edit it, click on this button. And now it automatically has cropped the status bar on the top and the bottom bar. I can uncrop it or crop it further. I can crop the side to hide some unwanted information. And when I'm done with all of that, click here to save, and now the screenshot has been saved in your gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.